Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the Renovation Tracker Template, which you can purchase on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you plan and track your renovation project, organize tasks and expenses, and monitor progress, making the renovation process clear and stress-free. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify the main categories and plan your budget. The next step shows how to specify current data for projects and explains why it's important to track all transactions associated with each project. The third step shows how to analyze project data, helping you understand progress, costs, and overall project performance. Next, this step explains how to fill in the contractor and vendor database. The final step shows how to track important project dates using the Smart Calendar to stay organized and on schedule. Go to the Settings sheet. First, define the currency by entering the symbol, which will be consistently used in all tables with payment amounts. Move to the Main Categories table. In the Project Category block, specify the list of categories that will be used to organize your renovation projects. For example, kitchen remodel, bathroom upgrade, basement finishing, roof overhaul, garden landscaping, or any other categories that fit your renovation needs. In the Budget Category block, specify the list of categories that will be used to organize your project expenses. For example, plumbing, tile work, insulation materials, drywall installation, roofing shingles, or any other categories that fit your renovation budget. In the Unit block, specify the measurement units that will be used for your project materials and quantities. For example, feet, roll, bundle, unit, gallon, piece, meter, kilograms, box, or any other units that fit your renovation needs. In the Status block, specify the stages that describe the progress of each contractor or vendor. For example, not contacted, contacted, requested estimate, estimate received, work scheduled, in progress, work completed, or any other statuses that fit your project workflow. In the Payment Status block, specify the stages that reflect the payment progress for each expense or invoice. For example, paid, deposit paid, not paid, pending invoice, refunded, partially paid, or any other statuses that fit your project payments. You can specify more 900 categories in each block. In this table, you need to specify budgets by project and category. For example, for the kitchen remodel project in the plumbing category, the budget is $20,000. Let's enter a few more examples. Go to the transaction sheet. In this table, you need to specify the actual payments for projects. Specify the start date and due date. Select the project. The drop-down lists are generated based on the data specified in the settings sheet. Select the budget category. Specify the item or service. Enter the cost and quantity. The amount is calculated automatically. Selecting the contractor and vendor. The drop-down lists are generated based on the data specified in the contractor and vendor tracker sheet. Select the payment status. If necessary, specify any notes. Enter more examples. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Go to the dashboard sheet. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. All data on this sheet is updated automatically. You only need to select the project. You can choose to view data for a single project or for all projects together. In the upper block, you can see the budget, actual data, and the difference, which helps you track spending and control project costs. In this table, you can see the top 10 categories by expenditure, helping you identify where the most budget is being spent. The chart allows you to compare actual and budgeted data by category. The top 10 breakdown chart highlights the top spending categories, providing insights for better budget management and cost control. Detailed information on projects and expenditures can be found in the table below. Go to the Contractor and Vendor Tracker sheet. In this table, you can specify contractor and vendor details, allowing you to keep all project partners organized and easily accessible. Specify the start date. Select the type, contractor or vendor. Specify the name. Specify the specialization. Enter website. Enter experience and ratings. Specify certification. Enter contact person, phone number, and email. Enter prices, payment terms. Enter lead time and warranty. Select the status. Enter more examples. Go to the calendar sheet. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. You need to select the year and month. You can also view data for a specific project. The data in the table below is pulled from the transaction sheet. The month is taken from the due date. In this table, you can see the item or service, due date, and payment status. The data in the calendar is updated automatically. Using the calendar helps you monitor deadlines and stay on top of payments. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try the Renovation Tracker template by entering your own projects, budgets, and contractor data. It shows how easy it is to manage renovation tasks and stay organized. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.